last but not least, try to get a minimum of every session. I love to end the sessions. You know, we've been riding forward the whole session. End every session with 300 feet of backing up. And you will get a horse that's so good at backing up, but not only that, you'll build their top line, you'll get them putting their weight over their rear end, and you'll make them such a handier horse. After I spent some time with Stacy Westfall, she said, Michael, you go forward enough. For 8 hours, all we did was practice different methods of getting the horse to back up, and wow, how it's helped my horsemanship and made them so much handier and built their butts up. Have them putting their weight over their butt, driving from their back end, really helps your horse a lot. So back up more. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.